How was it working with Artem?
It was very easy, it was perfect. Everything was just absolutely excellent.
And he's very professional, the way he appears and conduct himself.
He made our experience very easy and very personal, where like you don't really get that anymore. You know, everything was catered to our special event. He was emailing me and texting me and asking me what I wanted, give me ideas,
what's your opinion
entertaining ideas, and everything was great. We love him.
Our team came to us while we were eating dinner one night, and he knocked on the door and he said, you know, what can I do for you guys to make it, you know, personalized? And we answered him and we said, do this, do that, and he's done exactly that. I mean, he's done what we've asked, and he's done more than that. I mean, everybody's on the dance floor, everybody's having a good time.
In a very professional manner.
And it's been in nothing but a professional manner.
Right, if you had nobody dancing, everybody eating and listening to the great music, everything would be ordered, he played, and everything is just great. We just love him. He's a great guy.
Having a lot of fun.
So classy. Like the music choices is just on another level.
That's true. Okay.
We love him.